Harry, I've lived in this house for 20 years, and now in a single night I'm expected to leave.
They'll torture you.
Do you think I don't know what they're capable of? You didn't just lose a mother that night in Godric's Hollow, you know. I lost a sister.
This isn't just goodbye, boy, is it? This is farewell.
I don't understand. Isn't he coming with us?
Absolutely not.
Why?
Because he doesn't want to, do you, boy?
Absolutely not. Besides, I'm just a waste of space, isn't that right, Vernon?
Come on, Dudley, we're off.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по
I don't think you're a waste of space.
Thanks.
если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох.
See you, Big D.